Okay friends, go ahead and get out your notebook and turn to the next available page. So just turn one page and turn just one page at a time until you get to the next blank page. Don't turn a whole chunk, just turn one. And go ahead and write the date. Excuse me. Today is September 16th, 2020. So you're going to go ahead and number for your spelling words all the way to 6. And we're going to write our spelling words down. Can, let, dig, take, get, and rest. So let's talk about the beginning sounds. In each of our words, we have beginning sounds. What's the beginning sound in can? K. What's the beginning sound in let? Ooh. What's the beginning sound in dig? D. What's the beginning sound in take? T. What's the beginning sound in get? G. And what's the beginning sound in rest? R. That's our beginning sounds. What about end sounds? What about the sound at the end? What's the end sound in can? N. What's the end sound in let? T. The end sound in dig? G. The end sound in take? K. It's the K and the E. Make k. The end sound in get is t. And the end sound in rest. T. You are going to write some sentences. So let's do number 1 is for can. Let's think of a sentence. I can write a question like, can you do a Fortnite dance? I'm going to put a question mark. Underline my spelling word can, and then you can check off that you did that one already. I want you to write a sentence for all of your spelling words. Remember, you have today and tomorrow to do this, so go ahead and take your time and write a sentence for all your spelling words. Make sure you start with a capital letter and all your other words are lowercase. And then make sure you put that period or a question mark at the end. Go ahead and you're going to get out your notebook. You can write the date. You're going to write your spelling words, and you're going to write all of the sentences. If you need to pause this video, go ahead and hit pause so that you can write the date at the top.